Good afternoon, students. Welcome to Maths class of grade 7 of Baswa Residential Girls School. We are studying chapter number 11, Perimeter and Area. In today's class, let us finish off with the last concept of this chapter, that is conversion of units. Here is a table given. You need to by heart these. It will be helpful for the conversion of units while solving the problems. Let us go through this table. 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. 10 meter is equal to 1 decameter. 10 decameter is equal to 1 hectometer. And the last is 10 hectometer is equal to 1 kilometer. Please write down these in your classwork and by heart them. Now let us study the applications part under this chapter. Let me read out the question. A rectangular park is 45 meter long and 30 meter wide. Long means length, wide means breadth. A path 2.5 meter wide is constructed outside the park. So find the area of the path. Let us analyze the question. The path is being constructed. It is 2.5 meter wide on all the sides and the length is 45 meter of the rectangular park and the breadth, which means wide, is 30 meter. So we are asked to find out the area of the path. So first let ABCD represent the rectangular park and the shaded region represent the path 2.5 meter wide. To find the area of the path, we need to find area of the rectangle, that is PQRS, subtracted by the area of rectangle ABCD, which means outer rectangle minus inner rectangle. So PQ, here is PQ, is equal to this 45 meter plus here 2.5 meter plus here 2.5 meter, we get 50 meter. Then PS, which is 30 meter plus here 2.5 meter plus this 2.5 meter, we get 35 meter. Now let us calculate the area of inner rectangle, that is ABCD, which is equal to length into breadth, that is 45 meter into 30 meter, we get 1350 meter square. I am squaring the SI unit since it is area. Now it's time to find out the area of the outer rectangle, that is PQR and S. Again, L into B is the formula, which is equal to, here we have found out 50 meter into 35 meter, we get 1750 meter square. So when we subtract 1750 minus 1350 whole meter square, we get 400 meter square. That is the area of the path. Now let us study another question. It is slightly different from the earlier one. Let me read out. A path 5 meter wide runs along inside a square park of side 100 meter. Find the area of the path. Also, find the cost of cementing it at the rate of rupees 250 per 100 meter square. So for this, we need to first find out the area of PQRS and later the area of ABCD and then subtract as we followed in the previous solution. So later we will find out the cost of cementing at the given rate. So let's start. PQ is equal to 100 minus 5 plus 5. So here this is 100 minus 5 meter is the width of the path. So we have added that and later subtracted, we get 10 meter. Then area of square ABCD, that is the outer square. So we get side square as a formula, which is equal to 100 square, that is 100 into 100, we get 10,000 meter square. That is the area of ABCD, that is the outer park or the outer square. So area of square PQR is the inner one we need to find out, that is side square. Here we get 90. So 90 is a 8100 meter square. So now it is time to find out the area of the path, which means we have to subtract the both areas, that is 10,000 minus 8100 whole meter square, which is equal to 1900 meter square. The last part of this question is we need to find out the cost of cementing, which is given at 250 rupees per 10 meter square. So let us find out for 1 meter square how much is it. So 250 divided by 10 multiplied by 1900. This is the subtracted amount. When we simplify this, we get rupees 47,500. So this is the cost of cementing for 1900 meter square area. Let us move on to the next question, that is 2 crossroads, each of width 5 meter, run at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of length 70 meter and breadth 45 meter and parallel to its sides. Find the area of the roads is the first question, and the second question is we need to find out the cost of constructing the roads at the rate of 105 rupees per meter square. For this, area of the crossroads is the area of shaded portion. So here it is shaded, the plus symbol here. That is the area of the rectangle PQRS and the area of the rectangle EFGH. But while doing this, the area of square KLMN is taken twice, which is to be subtracted. So why is it taken twice? Because here when I pass from here to here, again I pass through this, and if I stand here and pass from here to here, again I pass from this. So this becomes the common. So instead of taking it 2 times, we have to take it 1 time. PQ is equal to 5 meter here, and PS is equal to this, PS is equal to 45 meter. Then EH is equal to 5 meter. So EF is equal to 70 meter as given here. Then KL is equal to 5 meter. Then KN is also 5 meter because it is a square here. Now area of the path is equal to area of the rectangle PQRS plus area of the rectangle EFGH minus, we need to subtract once, the KLMN square. So minus area of the square KLMN. So basically this rectangle area plus this rectangle area minus this square area is the area of the path now. So PS into PQ plus, this is PS into PQ, one rectangle, then plus EF into EH, another rectangle, minus KL into KN. So when we substitute the value, we arrive at 550 meters square, squaring the SI unit because it is area. Now we have to find out the cost of constructing the path, which is 105 rupees per meter square. So how much is the meter square here? It is 550. So when we multiply here by rupees, we get rupees 57,750, which is the cost of constructing the path. Students, watch the video again and again to make yourselves thorough with the concepts. Thank you.